class. Tonight we're going to talk about how to freeze panes and split your view. I made this spreadsheet here so that you can easily see when I am scrolling, since the view is all about what you're seeing in the window. The first section of the lecture is talking about different views. You're going to see not only how to split panes and how to use the split window features, but how to name those windows as well. So make sure you read through that lecture. So to freeze your panes, we're going to go into View, and if you click on these Freeze Panes option here, there's always going to be three options listed. There's the basic Freeze Panes, which we'll show in a minute, Freeze Top Row, which is just simply that. It froze the top row. Scroll down, you can see my top row stays in view. Or freeze the first column, which is the column over here, so if I scroll over, my first column stays in view. To turn it off, you're just going to go back to Freeze Panes and click to unfreeze. And if you wanted a custom view, so let's say I wanted the top two instead of just the top row, select the row right underneath what you want visible, and select the first option, Freeze Panes. And you will see it will give you a custom selection. So now you can see the top two as I scroll. If I click it again, you'll see that now it says unfreeze pane, so you saw it was going back and forth, freeze, unfreeze. So since it's frozen, the option is to unfreeze. Now let's say you wanted to see both the first column and the top two rows. Well, to do that would not be to freeze panes, it would actually be to split your window. So you click the split feature. When you do that, you will see gray bars show up. And you're just going to grab those gray bars and move them to wherever you would like them to be. There's the second bar. So I want my top two, and I want my first column to the left. So see, by doing that, not only can I see the top two rows, I could also see the first column. Best of both worlds. You will notice in the split feature, if you scroll all the way over or all the way to the top, you can access the top row and the left column to edit if needed. This is mainly just to be able to maintain a certain view as you're scrolling. Once you're done with your spreadsheet and you're ready to return to the full view, you can just click split again and it will go away. And there you have it. A couple ways to play with your views that will help you be able to scroll through your spreadsheet with ease, and making sure it definitely improves accuracy, because after you scroll down for a while without the frozen panes, I could be down here going like, ooh, which field is fruits again? I think it's this one. Whereas if you would have frozen the pane, then I could have easily seen the fruits column is this one, and I did select the right box. So these are very useful features. And that is it for this mini lesson on how to freeze panes and split windows. Have a good night.